What is up, guys? TechHappyReviews back again today, reviewing the Wirsh instant coffee beverage chiller. Now I'm gonna go over the packaging. As you can see here, right on the front, we have no dilution, and this rig chills your hot coffee, your wine, your whiskey, your juice, and more beverages. And as you can see later in the video, I try multiple different juices and beverages. On the side here we have, it says it can hold 13-ounce capacity. It has an instant chill with no dilution, so no water in your liquid. It's compatible with all coffee brewing methods, wines, and other beverages, and you can take it on the go with a sealing lid and take it anywhere you want. BPA free, food safe stainless steel. On the other side we have instructions on how to use, specifically for the coffee, so you can brew the coffee directly into it, chill inside for as little as 60 seconds, and then pour, take it on the go. So as little as 1 minute you can have fully chilled room temperature coffee. And on the top, it just says the name brand and instant coffee chiller. So let's go ahead and open this bad boy up, see what's inside. Comes packaged really well, as you can see. Nice packaging. Pull this little sack up, and then you'll find your chiller inside. Also included in the box is a user manual, and also this little card telling you, just go check their website out, go leave them a review. But yeah, here's the user manual, excuse me, and this is the little card I was talking about. Share your experience, go buy from them on Amazon. All the links and stuff will be in the description below, and in the bag you'll have your, let's call it a tumbler, because it's essentially a form of a tumbler. I couldn't get it out with one hand, so I skipped ahead a little bit, but here's the tumbler. As you can see, it's a little bigger than, it probably won't fit in your cup holder, but it's nice size. I can carry it real easily. Here's just a warning telling you when you put it in the freezer, set it upright, do not lay it on its side or it will not work right. Here's the top lid or sealer. This is the cap where you pour your liquid in, and once again, I had problems getting that off with one hand, so here I go taking that off. This is where you pour the liquid, and this is what the inside looks like. And the middle core here pulls out, and I'll do that here in just a second. And what I like about it, it has a fill line on the inside of the black part, and also inside where you need to pour the water. As you can see right there, it's marked. That little brownish colored line, that's where you fill your water up to. And your liquid, coffee, beverage, whatever you're going to be pouring into this, goes into this section right here. And yeah, like I said, water goes in the middle. And you also pour water into this. Now it's going to be a little harder to see in the video, but as you can see right there, that is the max line. And you'll also pour water into that, and then slide the metal canister back in. And so yeah, that's all you get in the Wirsh box. You get the sealer cap, the pour cap, the metal tin which cools the liquid, and you get the black container that all fits in. And here's my filtered water, using nice filtered water. And here I'm just gonna show you guys me filling it up to the max line. And one thing about this product, you do have to freeze it at least the first time for 5 to 6 hours to get that water frozen. But after you do it once, depending on how hot the liquid is, I've noticed it's last a few pours before I'd have to put more water or ice in. So here we're just going to fill the middle section up. And if you have this product, just follow along, do everything that I'm doing. This product is very simple and easy to use. As you can see here, there's the other fill line as I showed previously. I'm just going to go ahead and fill this up. This is what you have to do before you put it in the freezer. And as you can see there, I got it. Once you have that filled up, and I didn't top it all. I made sure I got right on the line just to make sure it went as smooth as possible. Actually, I went a little bit over. But once you get that, just slide it back in. It fits right in the middle. You'll feel it kind of click into place. Just like that. Perfect. Then after that, you're going to seal it back up. Put the other lid on. And that's essentially all you have to do for the setup. After that, like I said earlier, you're going to put it in the freezer for 5 or 6 hours. This is the longest part of the process, but it's just how long water takes till it turns into ice. But yeah, let's go ahead and throw it in the freezer. Here you see me putting it in, and 6 hours from now, it will look like this. Now, just a fair warning here, do not do what I do. I just wanted to say, like, hey, why can I not just take off the whole lid and pour it in there? Well, here I'm going to show you exactly why you do not do that. And in the process, as you can see here, I have hot coffee just made, just brewed. Poured it right on top, right over the ice. Do not do that. I repeat, do not do this. As you can see, I got a little bit ahead of myself, and after reading the instructions and understanding it, I did this early in the morning and just got way ahead of myself. This is the proper way to do it right here. Have this cap on, poured in, the holes are perfectly lined up to go perfectly in that tube. You might have a little bit of liquid on top. You might have to just kind of wiggle it around, get it all in there. But after that, go ahead and put on the other cap, which I kind of left off. I was showing you guys, I was wiggling that around. Go ahead and put on the other sealer cap, and we're going to freeze it for a minute, and I'll show you that there's no more steam and give you my review on it. And after the minute's up, as you can see, no more steam coming out. You can see there's coffee in the middle, and if you watch right here, some water got in. That was because of user error, and learn from my mistakes. Do not pour it directly on the ice. The rest of the things I poured in correctly, and I can't stress that enough. Pour it in the right way. Do not pour it on the ice. You will get dilution. You will slightly melt the ice. You will have to refreeze the ice. But as you can see here, I'm trying it. It's good. It's actually very surprising. Just 1 minute. It's below room temperature. Here you can see I have tea. I have the cap on the right way. It's steaming. I pour it in the right way this time. And I'm just going to set the timer for another minute, and I'll come back when that's done. Alright, that minute's done. Let's zoom in on it. No steam. Done the right way this time. As you are about to see from pouring the coffee on the ice a minute ago, the middle section flops out. And like I said, that was completely my fault. And like I said, do not do that. But I fixed my mistake on my next liquid I pour in here. But I do want to state that tea is probably the best use for this device. And the reason why is because no one likes drinking hot tea. I'm just putting my hand here, don't feel hot at all. The sip test was perfect room temperature, and I can't stress it enough, tea to me is probably the best for this device. Honestly, tea was a little too hot. I figured probably maybe go 2 minutes, 3 minutes with the tea. Just because, I don't know, for whatever reason, it was just hotter than the coffee. But as you can see here, the last mystery liquid I'm trying is Mountain Dew. And the kicker to this, it was already cold. So I was thinking maybe if I poured it in and waited 3 minutes, it would turn into somewhat of an icy. So that was kind of the experiment I was going for here, was to try to turn the liquid into more of an icy than just chill it. But yeah, wait till the end to see the results. I'm going to go ahead and speed this up, and I'll see you guys when it gets done. Alright, the 3 minutes is up. We're going to take off the lid and pour it in and get some results. And to my surprise, it did not slush up. But when I tasted it, oh my god, it was right there. Like, it was so close to being, you know, when you put a soda in the fridge for a while and it gets a little icy on the inside, like it was almost that. It was slightly icy on the inside, but as you can see, it didn't do too much, but it was very nice and pleasant. Alright guys, so we're at the end of the video. Here's my final thoughts. The only few negatives I had were that the lid would get frozen on along with the device. Another con was that it took 5 to 6 hours for it to freeze up, but other than that, everything else was flawless, and I highly recommend this product. Check it out in the description below, and if you enjoyed this video, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace out.